Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Mark, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this 1:43 scale Zhong Tong Bus. Zhong Tong Bus, okay? Good, I like pronouncing it. It's so Chinese. Alright, so actually today it will be a low budget video, so only one camera and not so much editing, so I don't have that much time to really produce a fancy video like last time with 5 cameras. And the reason is simple, I'm running out of time, so let me first maybe do this here. Okay, so I first need to do this here. There is a button. Okay, so let me do it here. Okay, it's a nice plastic box, and inside we have styrofoam box. So, okay, it looks like this. Quite simple, and there is a tape all around, so I just need to remove this tape. It's actually quite simple. Alright, so now, for the first time in history, let me check what is actually inside. Oh, toilet paper. A lot of it, a lot of toilet paper, okay. Oh, wow. It's upside down here. Okay, so now let me just check it here. Okay, so there's also door opening tool here in the box, but I don't need it. Very nice. Okay, so let me adjust the camera view a little bit, so maybe that it has a little bit better angle. Good, so it's electric bus. Okay, so I had ordered actually this one to have a bus in my diorama, in the 1:43 scale diorama, and look at it. It's all Chinese license plate. All right, at least this number I can read, 406, 76, and so on and so on. Good. And okay, we have the doors, and there is probably a sticker here holding the doors. You can see the round sticker, and the same in the front. Probably there is only doors on one side, not here, not on the other side, of course. And then the front, look at the front here. Oh, actually, I'm not sure if there is something wrong here. Oh, it's the headlight is not really perfect. Look at this alignment here and the gap. Incredible. Yeah, the same here. The gap between the door and the body panel or the fender, this is really strange. And also license plate here. There is a logo of the bus company here, and there are 2 wipers, okay, all black. There are also, there is a nice rear side, or actually side mirror. There is also one big here on the other side. This is somehow rubber, so it cannot be easily broken. That's a good idea, that they made it with rubber, not hard plastic, because now it's more durable and less sensitive to some bad behavior. Okay, so now I think done. Good, so now I think I'm ready to already remove those stickers here. I think there is one here. Let me be careful. And then there's a second one here. Okay, so that's basically it. And now let me also show you the undercarriage before we open it. You see it's quite flat. Completely flat, but you can see here that there is a mechanism to turn the wheels. Interesting. The wheels are real rubber. They look quite nice. There is a suspension. Wow, a working suspension. I have never seen this on such a small model. Let me maybe try again here now. See, suspension fully working in the front. Same in the rear. That's lovely, isn't it? What I don't like maybe, there is some air conditioning here on the top with this ventilator or the fan, and then there's this plastic piece here which doesn't look so nice. It's the color gray, but it doesn't look so fancy and nice and detailed. The same here, yeah? It could be, I don't know, somehow a bit better. I don't like it when it's only like this. Okay, so that's basically the exterior, and yeah, panel gaps minimal. Oh, can we actually open? Yeah, all right, so look at it. We can open this engine compartment and see what is inside. Yeah, not that much. Yeah, somebody just had the effort to color here a few pieces by this gray color. And actually, can we open something else? Somewhere else? Here, probably not. This whole rear part can't be opened. Look at this Zhong. Zhong. Okay, so probably it would be very nice to have some LED lights here and with the option to turn it on so that it would really be all yellow, yellow light and working lights. Okay, so then we have also second engine compartment here. Can I open it? I should be able to do that. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Similar thing here, yeah, like on the opposite side, and there are also very tiny turning indicators here. That's good. That's a good thing. And actually, what I really love, okay, I will close this now, but what I love is the interior and the seats. Yeah, this is very detailed actually. All the seats are nice. Look at that. And there is also this fire distinguisher just inside, and also very nice. Yeah, that's a nice detail to have it there. Okay, and then here the driver's seat, and the driver's seat is quite nice. Yeah, and let me maybe also check it later. And here Zhong Tong again. All right, so now let me open the doors already. How to do that with just my fingernails? Yeah, probably it's possible. Same here on the other side. I want to be careful, maximum careful. Okay. Wow. No standing area. Yeah, that's quite common. And also in Chinese, because this is a Chinese bus. Then there is this driver's seat and the dashboard, yeah, and all the different things, like here also the ticketing system. Okay. Very nice, yeah. So that's quite nice. And here another door. And let me also open it. No standing area as well. Inside, it's just, no carpeting, of course. There are no carpets in real buses. Who would clean it all the time? I'm not the one applying for this job. Okay, so we have also here two compartments for the luggage. Yeah, so very nice. And interesting that on one side we have blue seats, on the other side it's orange. But in the back, it's all blue. And maybe if you live in China, maybe there is a special purpose for the orange seats. Maybe it's for disabled. Because here where I live, we have some special seats dedicated only for retired people, disabled people, or people with any other issues, yeah, that everybody knows that those are reserved for this specific group of passengers. Maybe the same situation in China, who knows. In Dubai, for example, they have a dedicated a bus only for women, yeah, so that no male passengers could attack them during the transport. Maybe something similar here. I have actually never been to China, so I can't really tell you what is the reason behind having 3 of them or 4 of them in orange, the rest is in blue color, which is more suitable for men. I don't know, you tell me. Okay, so that's basically the bus, yeah? And I was lucky enough to also buy some additional traffic road signs here, so I will also use them now in my diorama. And here also additional figures, yeah? So from this Hong Kong, tiny Hong Kong, so now I have, is it a policeman? No, probably a fireman, two firemen and a regular woman in a orange coat with orange shoes or boots. And here one more woman and two additional firemen. Yeah, one of them drinking a coffee, the second one holding, I don't know, some kind of, I don't know what it is actually, hydraulic equipment. Yeah, okay, so that's basically what I will also now open and put to my diorama, yeah, next to the bus. So I will also now show you some pictures and or video from the diorama. Alright, so now this is already the diorama that I have, yeah, so I told you before I was building this one some time ago already, and I think there is quite a lot of videos and documenting this. And now look at this new bus, yeah, so it's actually quite huge. I'm not even sure if this is really 1:43 scale. It looks so big when you compare it to probably to other passenger cars here, and especially, for example, to this BMW 5. It's so tiny. I also have this nice Cadillac. It's so beautiful, but still the bus, look at it, it's quite huge, yeah? So, but probably that's also normal. But for example, according in compared to this Tatra, it's the bus is much bigger, longer, yeah, but I still believe this is the right scale, 1:43. So hopefully let's keep it like this at the moment, yeah. And I will now make some pictures probably from this diorama, and one of them will be selected as a featured thumbnail picture for this video later on when I upload it. So guys, I think now only thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. So thank you again, and bye bye.